Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we will be comparing two drones designed for kids, the Q9s Drones for kids and the CuteAnt drones. These drones are packed with features that will surely elevate your flying experience. So let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Q9s Drones for kids is priced at $49, while the CuteAnt drones come in at $59. Both drones offer great value for their price, but if you're looking for a slightly more affordable option, the Q9s Drones for kids might be the way to go. When it comes to design and durability, both drones excel. The Q9s Drones for kids feature bright LED lights that emit vibrant neon green and blue colors, giving you a visually stunning flight experience. It also has a sturdy structure and propeller guards to ensure a secure flight and protect your kids from any potential injuries. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with a sleek design and include 4 propeller guards and 8 spare propeller blades for added safety. So both drones are built to withstand crashes and provide a durable flying experience. Ease of use is always important, especially when it comes to drones for kids. The Q9s Drones for kids offer a range of user-friendly features, including one-button takeoff, landing, and return functions. It also has 3 different speeds to accommodate beginners and skilled players alike. Additionally, the drone has a headless mode, making it easy to navigate without worrying about direction. The CuteAnt drones also come with one-touch takeoff, landing, altitude hold mode, and headless mode, making it perfect for beginners. Both drones prioritize simplicity and user-friendliness. Now let's talk about the camera and additional features. The Q9s Drones for kids focus on providing a fun flying experience with 360-degree flips and auto-rotation functions. It's a great toy for kids who love performing tricks with their drones. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come equipped with a 1080p HD camera that allows you to capture amazing views. You can connect your phone to the drone via Wi-Fi for a smooth transmission and enjoy FPV mode through the app. The CuteAnt drones also offer features like circle flight, trajectory flight, and 360-degree flips, adding more excitement to your flying adventures. After comparing the Q9s Drones for kids and the CuteAnt drones, it's clear that both drones have their own unique strengths. If you're looking for an affordable option with vibrant LED lights and a focus on fun flying tricks, the Q9s Drones for kids might be the perfect choice. However, if you prioritize a higher resolution camera and additional features like circle flight and trajectory flight, the CuteAnt drones could be the one for you. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one.